Welcome back to How to Sensei. Let's see how to remove green screens using Adobe Premiere Pro. I have already loaded up a few samples. Let's drag this here and adjust the size. Next, this green screen and make it a bit bigger. Now on the Effects tab, go to Video Effects, then Expand Keying, and drag this Ultra key option onto the green screen video. Then on your effects control, go to the Ultra key control and click on key color. Then with the color picker, click on the green screen. This is the basis for removing a green screen. But what if we have multiple elements with green color on them? Let's delete this. For example, if we take this clip, let's resize this. Try removing the green. You can see the cactus and keyboard are affected by the mask. Now, to fix this, we will play around with matte generation and matte cleanup. Go to Output and select Alpha Channel. You will get a black and white screen. These gray areas are the spots we need to fix. Let's adjust the transparency, highlight 0, shadow 100, tolerance 100, pedestal 100. Nice. We just have to clear a bit more of this white. Choke to 70, contrast 100, midpoint 100. Perfect. Now set it back to composite and play. Okay, but the cactus seems to have lost its color. Let's see how to get that back as well. Select the mask tool and make a selection. Now the selected area is masked. In order to invert this, just tick the inverted option here. Simple as that. But as you see, the mask moves with the frame and the laptop screen is affected. We are going to set up a keyframe and an animation to correct this. Go to the Graphic tab and then at the start of the clip, toggle the keyframe here. Let the video play, and when the screen starts going green, just drag it back and Premiere Pro will automatically add another keyframe, making the movement smooth. That's it for the video. Hope this helped you. If it did, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to help the channel and get more content like this. Take care and peace.